Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's January 22nd, and we're going to look at the Victory Garden. I had shot the video a little bit earlier this morning, trying to get a video of planting some more plants in here, and I did get a video, but I didn't get any sound with it. So we'll go back and we'll just take a look and see where we're sitting right now with this Victory / kitchen garden. And what this is this is series. This is a new project of mine that I'm trying to encourage you to start doing some gardening, even if you have just a small area. These little plants that we've got in here today, these are it's musclin mix. Now, whenever I plant this, I normally plant about 3 seeds to a cell tray. Now, some of these got 4 and 5, and I just left them. What I do, it's a mixture of, the musclin mix is a mixture of a lot of different greens, mustard, turnips, different types of kale, endive, arugula, stuff like that. And it gives a real good, tasty salad. So I dropped a few of those plants in right here. And also, I put some collards in. Now, if you had never ate collards and you're not from the South, that's kind of one of our staples down here. So anyway, I had some little transplants. All these transplants are about a month old, so I don't let them get real big. And we'll go down and look at the rest of the garden here. We've got our golden beets. They're hanging in there fine. We've got some bok choy right here, and it's starting to come along. And then we have some Chinese cabbage. I'm not sure if this was, I think it was Hilton was what this was. And then we have some late flat Dutch cabbage, which is fairly large cabbage. And then we have some greens, and I'm thinking these are turnips, and I'm not sure. I planted some different ones, and if you really want to know, you have to go back and look at the first video when we're planting. But I want to talk to you about turnips while we're looking here. Turnips are a good, quick-growing vegetable, and it's really healthy vegetable. And a lot of people might not like turnips because they've either ate them at a restaurant, one of these where they have a buffet and they have turnips, or they bought a can of turnips in the store, because I'm going to tell you, they taste nasty. I don't care what some of y'all might say, they taste good. They taste nasty. But anyway, we have some turnips and mustard in here. They kind of go hand in hand. And I thought I had another green in here. This might have been just where we put our carrots in. I'm not sure. But no germination yet. And then we have our radishes. That's another quick crop that you use different ways. And we had something in here. I'm going to have to actually go back and look at the video. Now, this could be where my onion or my shallots stopped. And we have one of them that is actually, it's got some greenery, so it's going to go ahead and shoot out. But we've got, out of our Victory garden here, we've got 1 row planted. We're going to do a few more things in here. I'm not sure exactly what. But if you want to find out, just follow along. And if you're not a subscriber, we'll hit that subscribe, hit the bell button, and make sure you click all so you get all your notifications. And give it a big thumbs up and share this video. It really helps my channel. Happy gardening.